Id hoc facilius iis persuasit, quod undique loci natura Helvetii continentur, una ex parte flumine Reno latissimo atque altissimo, qui agrum Helvetium a Germaniis dividit, altera ex parte Monte Jura altissimo, qui est inter Sequanos et Helvetios, tertia lacu Lemnano et flumine Rodano, qui provinciam nostram ab Helvetiis dividit. Okay, we've got an id hoc. And let's see, facilius is an adverb here. Persuasit, we're still referring to Orgetorix as a subject. So he persuaded this thing easily, and then here's a dative, to them. Who is them? Who's he persuading? Probably the Helvetians. Quod, because, on all sides, and then, let's see, loci natura Helvetii continentur. Helvetii is the subjects. The Helvetians were contained, natura, ablative, by the nature of the place. And then Caesar goes on to describe 3 ways in which the Helvetians are penned in. Una ex parte, altera ex parte, and tertia. Notice down here, he doesn't put the ex parte because he figures you've got the system down by now. So on one side, they are contained. Notice, this is the thing that is doing the containing. So it is ablative because it is responsible for the action in this passive verb. They are contained by this thing. Then he gives us this nifty relative clause to discuss this thing that is containing them, this thing which, nominative, relative pronoun, divides, direct object, agrum Helvetium, prepositional phrase, which divides the Helvetian territory from that. Okay, and on the other side, again, we're in the ablative because continentur is a passive verb. The Helvetians are contained on another side by this. And then this relative clause here goes on to describe this. By Mount Jura, qui est inter Sequanos et Helvetios, and I'm sure you can figure that one out. And then over here, on the third side, the Helvetians are contained on the third side by this ablative phrase, and then look, he's following that pattern. Relative clause that describes this ablative phrase in greater detail.